In the following half day, what are some of the possible outcomes for Shiba Inu? Shibarium may be in the process of undergoing some significant enhancements, and it is possible that these enhancements will have a big impact on the value of the SHIB token. This video is one that you simply cannot afford to miss if you have any SHIB tokens or if you have any interest in Shiba Inu. Consequently, what is the most recent news on Shiba Inu coins, and how will this impact the value of Shiba Inus? These questions will be answered in the video that I am going to show you today, and I will also tell you about the recent price increase for Shiba Inus. I put a lot of effort into researching this video, so if you want to make sure you don't miss anything, make sure you watch it all the way through instead. Before we go any further, I would like to mention that this channel is now running a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. In order to participate, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. All the best. On the other hand, before we get into our problem, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on February 7th. Do you agree at the moment the price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 887 units? With a trading volume of $78 million, the price of SHIB has increased by 0.2 over the course of the previous 24 hours. Additionally, the token is now ranked as the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency due to its market capitalization worth more than $5.02 billion at the present time. Before you watch the video, please keep in mind that the rates might have changed from the last time you saw it. This article does not constitute advice when it comes to finances. By following the link provided in the description, you can access our brand new official Telegram channel. In addition to the good feedback we have received regarding the group, we have some excellent free value found inside it. Let's have a look at the video for today. In order to better monitor assets on Shibarium, CoinGecko has expanded its coverage. Shibarium is a blockchain network that is tied with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. CoinGecko, a major market tracker, has expanded its coverage to include assets on Shibarium. To facilitate the tracking of digital assets on the Shibarium network, CoinGecko has initiated the creation of a specialized page. An ex-user from Turkey named Shib Shibarium recently made a post on the social media platform X that brought the subject of the development to the attention of the general public. There is now support for the Shibarium network on CoinGecko. The Turk Shiba Inu enthusiast disclosed that coins can now be viewed in the Shibarium network by utilizing the Gecko interface instead of the previous method. Notable Shiba Inu personalities such as Shitoshi Kusama, Lucy, Fet Kusama, and Ragnar were among the individuals he attacked. To provide a response to the disclosure, the members of the Shiba Inu community have expressed their excitement over the new development, which indicates that the Shibarium network will receive more attention and publicity. Shiba Inu securities are monitored by CoinGecko. One of the most well-known market tracking companies has recently added a section to its website that is dedicated to the Shibarium ecosystem coins that have the highest market capitalization. The records for 24 digital assets that are connected to Shibarium are arranged on this page according to their market valuation. Unsurprisingly, Shiba Inu is the leader of the crowd, with a market capitalization of $150.99 million. Bone Shiba Swap, the gas token issued by Shibarium, is the second most valuable cryptocurrency after SHIB. In the event that you are still watching, it would be quite helpful if you could click the like button. Thank you. Although it is completely free, it is of significant benefit to the channel. However, be sure to remain tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu updates as well as information regarding the potential future of the Shiba Inu currency. A fierce battle is taking place between bulls and bears in the $59 trillion SHIB zone, where the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, which is based on the concept of dogs, is currently trading. Are bulls capable of winning? The conclusion has significant implications for the subsequent price movement that SHIB will make. There are two possible scenarios that could take place depending on whether or not SHIB is able to keep this level or break it. The end-of-the-block global in and out of money report states that 76,240 addresses have purchased $59.76 trillion SHIB in the vicinity of the location where Shiba Inu is now trading. For the past 24 hours, SHIB has had a decrease of 1.49, bringing the total number of units to 886. There are two explanations that are conceivable. Despite the recovery, SHIB continues to retain the $59 trillion. If this scenario were to play out, it would signal that there is sufficient demand and momentum for SHIB to maintain its price above this level, and that purchasers are willing to defend and acquire SHIB at this price. It is possible that SHIB would attempt to reach the next big obstacle. If this scenario plays out, then the bulls prevail. This would be the point at which 322,000 addresses purchased $226.25 trillion SHIB at an average price of 1,100 units, which would allow the cryptocurrency to resume its upward trajectory. Specifically, this range extends from $900 to $1,400. If bulls are able to successfully take control of this level, it could result in upside gains of up to 90% for Shiba Inu, so removing the zero from the price of SHIB. On the other hand, if the SHIB index were to break through the $59 trillion level and then continue to fall, this would indicate that the SHIB index has lost support and that sellers have assumed control of the market. Assuming that this scenario plays out, SHIB may get closer to the next support level, which is the point at which 63,730 addresses acquired $25.09 trillion worth of SHIB at an average price of 800 units. This is the point at which bulls are expected to stop the declines. In news pertaining to the Shiba Inu, currently, the proponent of Shibarium is in the process of moving to the Sepolia network as its new home, because Sepolia provides a thorough testing environment that is comparable to the Ethereum mainnet. It guarantees that developers will have access to a dependable platform that will allow them to effectively test their decentralized applications and smart contracts. At this point, the primary narrative of today's video is about to begin. The staff at Shiba Inu is very hopeful about the new partner that Shibarium has found. The cost of bones has increased by 9%. Among the most significant recent advances, the Shiba Inu. In order to facilitate frictionless bone staking on Shiba Inu's Layer 2 Shibarium, one of the most well-known meme coins that operates on Ethereum has just announced a substantial cooperation with Nine Finance, a prominent liquid staking derivatives platform. The purpose of this agreement is to enable that bone staking to take place. As a result of this partnership, the meme coins team has demonstrated a great deal of enthusiasm for the collaboration that was discussed earlier, and they have predicted that liquid staking derivatives will soon be introduced on Shibarium. Additionally, in accordance with a message that Lucy has produced, one of the most important members of Shiba Inu's team, the community assures its members that it will work toward the development of a bone staking method that is both more efficient and flexible, which will promote optimism for SHIB tokenomics. In the meantime, Bone, the flagship token associated with the Shiba Inu community, experienced a meteoric rise, which indicated that the partnership placed a strong priority on bone staking. A Shiba Inu named Lucy draws attention to important characteristics. In the essay that Lucy wrote, it is said that the most recent collaboration with Nine Finance Zeros focuses on some of the most important aspects of Bone. Through the delegation of Bone tokens to a validator node, and the subsequent protection of the Shiba Inu L2, the primary objective is to make bone staking on Shibarium as simple and uncomplicated as possible. The second possibility is to offer known tokens in addition to Bone incentives. These tokens would serve as a representation of staked Bone assets and would be freely traded prior to the moment when the stakes would be unstaked. Bone prices have skyrocketed in recent years. When this article was published, the price of a Shiba swap bone had grown by 9 in the previous 24 hours, and